And we are back. Today we are going to make a recipe called as oats diet. One of my students called Rishikesh, who's a constant follower and who loves a recipe. He kept on telling me that ma'am also tell us a recipe which is please tell me ki me diet kartana kai karu shakto low fats. I thought that this is the best recipe which you can follow and you can like. So let's see the ingredients then. Sure.
हे एक वाटी ओट्स है.
1 full bowl of oats.
दही है आधी वाटी.
This is a half bowl curd, but mind it, this is a low calorie, low fat curd.
कांदा है.
Some onion and some carrot.
मिरची आणि कोथिंबीर.
Chili and coriander. Black salt, because black salt is what one should prefer while you are dieting and while you don't want to put on so much of weight. And olive oil, right?
जेव्हा आपण डाएट करतो तेव्हा साधं मीठ नाही घालायचं, थोडं ब्लॅक सॉल्ट घालायचं आणि ऑलिव्ह ऑइल. त्याच्यात पहिले आपण ओट्स टाकतो.
1 bowl of oats
आणि त्याच्यात अर्ध बग
curd. Nicely mix it.
त्याच्यात कांदा आणि गाजर टाकतो.
And then we'll put onion and
गाजर किसून टाकलं तरी चालेल.
grated carrot is also as you like basically.
थोडीशी मिरची टाक.
Some chili. Chili is for the spice lovers basically.
थोडीशी कोथिंबीर.
And chili also helps losing weight, by the way.
आणि थोडंसं ब्लॅक सॉल्ट टाक. थोडं पाणी टाकायला लागेल. थोडंसं ब्लॅक, खूप मीठ नाही टाकायचं. डाएट सॉल्ट ह्याच्यात डाएट रेसिपी करतो.
राईट.
थोडं हे 5 मिनिटं असं भिजू द्यायचं.
Let it soak.
पॅन ठेवलंय. थोडंसं ऑलिव्ह ऑइल थोडंसं टाकायचंय.
Little bit of olive oil.
आणि टिश्यू थोडं पुसून
Nicely spread it with the help of tissue. So it ensures that it doesn't stick on the pan. And then
छोटे छोटे टाकायचे. तुला मोठे पाहिजे तर मोठे टाकू शकता.
spread the mixture on the pan according to the size that you really like. You can have 2 small ones or 1 big one, whatever as you desire. Now this is to be kept on a medium flame, mind you. Now you will twist and turn the other side so that the other side of it also gets roast.
आणि अगदीच वाटलं तर तुम्ही एक एक थेंब ऑलिव्ह ऑइल टाकू शकता. आता आपण उलटतो.
Nice. So somebody who is a diet conscious, this is the best way to have your breakfast.
दोन्ही बाजूनी छान असे जरा खरपूस करा.
Nicely swap both the sides.
एक एक ड्रॉप थोडंसं ऑलिव्ह ऑइल टाकून केलं तरी चिकटत नाही. आता
Nice. Ready to serve. So as you see,
आपले ओट्सचे छानपैकी उत्तप्पे तयार आहेत. तर तुम्ही डाएट करत असाल तर हे असं करून खा. जरा चांगलं खा, हेल्दी खा.
So basically the key to lose weight is not starving, eating right, and I believe this will help you and will ensure if you like and if you have any suggestions and if you have any recommendations, kindly just let us know. Like I always say, like, comment, share, and thank you for watching Sazwan Nurjug Recipes. Thank you guys.
Thank you.